Well, fresh matter for admission. Tomorrow.
For tomorrow, my lord, sir.
What matter?
I have filed IA, my lord, for declaration of results. The recruitment process, my lord, where this honorable court had
On the fresh
granted
matter
a
is it?
stay of the
Fresh
impugned
matter.
order. The examination for with respect to the entire recruitment process was conducted. The declaration of results is pending.
It has to be heard on merits only.
It could be, my lord, taken up, my lord.
Let it come, but if it requires a full-fledged hearing, we may not take it up.
Your lordship may post it tomorrow, my lord, and your lordship may
Let it
hear
come.
it, please.
Criminal appeal, we are not inclined to take up now. We'll give a date in the first week of March or so. Kodi.
My lord's contempt matter, it is posted on 6th March. The urgency is that respondents have deposited the amount in district court instead of releasing it to the petitioner. I may be heard tomorrow for 5 minutes. Obliged.
No, but now the accused have to be present, isn't it?
Need not, my lords. Their presence may be exempted. Actually, the amount is lying in the treasury, my lords, district court. Instead of releasing it to the petitioner.
In our instruction, my lord, there is a dispute among the brothers, my lord.
No, my lord.
That is the reason, my lord, we deposited the amount before the treasury. That is before the principal civil judge. They have to withdraw that only as per the, let the application before the principal.
Let it come on 27th, we'll see.
Obliged.
The instruction complete ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು fresh matter is it?
Not fresh matter, old matter, my lord. We already deposited the amount, my lord. 23 maybe, my lord. Year of 23 maybe. Year of the contempt is 23 maybe, my lord.
But we were directed to file calculations. Both the parties have
But
filed
last
the
occasion, my lord,
calculation.
sorry, my lord, 1 minute. Last occasion, my lord friend was not there, my lord. But that is the reason your lordship is adjourned. He has to file the memo of calculation first.
I've filed it.
Okay, Thursday will do.
You also have tomorrow, my lord, later file the memo of calculation, my lord. We'll send you
I've given a
some
copy.
copy. Same, we'll answer to that one. That's all.
Thursday.
Obliged.
My application seeking release of amount, my lord, is pending. May I request?
Kodi.
My lord, fresh matter seeking interim order, my lord, read petition tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
What is urgency?
That is the land grabbing act, my lord. Now proceedings conducted, my lord.
Badly ನೋಡು.
Thursday, my lord, at least.
Thursday.
My lordships, kindly.
Give, just notify Manur. Notify the government so that they can get instruction by them.
Yes, my lord, I will.
Fresh RFA matter, my lords. Arrest warrant has been issued by the executing court for not depositing the earnest money.
Tomorrow.
Lords,
Two writ petitions challenging the same order passed by the KSAT. In one matter, notices it was heard. At that time, Lords, Lokayukta Lords submitted that they have also preferred a writ petition. 2022 matter, Lords, KAT has allowed the application in 2021. And, till today, they have not reinstated. Similar matters, Lords, have disposed of. Tomorrow or Thursday, anything.
Thursday.
Please.
My lords, 3 fresh matters, my lords.
Tomorrow. Mamzapur tomorrow.
Please.
3 fresh matters, my lords, arising out of same accident. Kindly on 27th, my lords, for interim order, I am moving the matters. 27.
My lords, one fresh matter for tomorrow, my lord, writ appeal challenging the order passed by learned single judge, my lords, for reinstatement with full back wages, my lord. Any date, my lords, tomorrow.
Page weight adjournment, page number 10, still number 47 and 48. Page number 11, still number 49 to 53.
My lord, serial number 47, I have filed application for discharge of guardianship, my lords. Kindly it may be 49. Yes. Serial number 49, I have filed application for discharge of guardianship, my lords. It is not put up. Kindly it may be put up and taken some other day, my lords.
Simple injury and injury case, sir.
One
In
death
two
case, one
cases.
injury case. Two cases are there. ma'am.
Cases are there, my lord. You have mentioned that in two matters,
The
minor
mi-
has signed, my lords.
No, let us see. On merits, we'll see if
Yes,
it can
yes.
be disposed of. What is to be done, we'll see.
I have filed application for discharge
The
of.
file, we'll ask them to put it up.
Yes.
If,
Tomorrow, my lords?
if they're going to be disposed of on the main,
Yes, yes.
we'll ask the registry to get that IA. We'll see what is
Can it be taken tomorrow, my lords? I'll get prepared and come.
tomorrow.
Yes.
Please.
Office to put up application stated to have been filed by the, in MFA,
In both matters, my lords.
uh,
Both corporation
for
matters.
discharge of minor. Yes.
Okay.
Page number 12, cell number 54 to 58, 30, 59 and 60. Non-compliance of office objection. First time, cell number 1, party.
2 weeks time granted,
Weeks time maybe.
2 weeks time granted for necessary compliance.
Number 2, WB party. Second time.
Dispute is with regard to appointment of Anganwadi worker, my lord. There are certain Aadhaar cards, my lord, income certificates which are been produced. The legible copy of those documents are sought for. May kindly be dispensed with. They are along with the application filed seeking for appointment. Now it is only on the merits, my lord, whether, my lord, appellant is meritorious or respondent is meritorious is the issue. That may be kindly dispensed with, my lord. 110, page number 110, my lord.
The office objection at seal number 1 is kept in abeyance,
Please.
subject to the undertaking that at the time of hearing of the matter, legible copies will be furnished if are sought to be relied upon.
Please. One more office objection with regard to R4. That is also my lord Aadhaar card. Annexure R4. That is also Aadhaar card, my lord. That is the Aadhaar card which is produced before the court. Adunu dispense, my lord.
Office objection as regards annexure R4 is also kept in abeyance for the present.
For admission.
Relist the matter for admission on first week.
5th of March.
Yes.
Cell number 3, Sharanabasappa K. Babshetty.
Preparing for appellant in this case.
In this matter, my lordship directed me to file an application for modification of interim order. The application is then filed, madam. Have it tomorrow, madam. No, already application has been filed. There are 3 children, 2 become already major, and the last son, they are not allowing to visit the child. So in this circumstance, your lordship directed me to file a modified the application to modify the.
Relist tomorrow.
Please.
Cell number 4,
Yes.
My lord,
for
appellant.
on last occasion, this honorable court had directed the CEO to verify who will be continued in the job, my lord. My lord, as per the letter received by the CEO, my lord, the CEO is, after an inquiry, they want to continue with the appellant, and irrespective of that, any postings will be given to the respond number 4, my lord.
Then that settles the issue.
That settles the issue, my lord. But respond number 4, we have written a letter to him to furnish all the documents, but is not coming forth to furnish with the documents. Irrespective of that, we have stated that in
Will accommodate.
we'll accommodate him in the budget, but not continuity of service, because they are all contractual workers.
And I will inform to the respondent, my client.
Thursday.
Please, my lord.
Please,
Relist the matter on Thursday. You find out.
please, my lord.
If it's going to come to an end, there ends the matter.
Yes, my lord.
Please.
You shouldn't ask too much. You must only inform your client.
Actually, now he has come forward only.
Mallikarjun does that correctly. He does it. Yes.
number 5,
Please.
Sachin.
No, let's go on the client. Yes.
Cell number 5, Sachin M. Mahajan.
My lord, respondent number 1 is the only plaintiff before the trial court, my lord, and he agreed to get compromise with the petitioners. And respondent number 2 to 7 have not challenged the impugned order. And ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವ್ರಿ my lord for the dismissal of appeal against respondent number 2 to 7.
Dismissal.
Yes, my lord.
Good.
They have not challenged.
They are
also the defendants before the trial.
now you are the defendant.
I am also the defendant, my lord. All the petitioners are the defendants, and all of them are
So they
ready
have
to.
accepted the judgment and decree. They have not challenged.
They have not challenged. Respond number 2 to 7. And the draft of compromise petition is also ready, my lord. But today all the petitioners are not present as they have went to.
When do you want?
Lok Adalat दिवस एक पत्र पालो.
हाँ. Just read your memo.
Hello.
Read your memo.
Both of the copy I have given.
Read your memo, I said.
ಎರಡು copy ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. It is submitted that trial court has decreed the suit of the plaintiff or respond number 1 herein. The defend number 3 to 5 and 12 to 14 before trial court, who are respondent number 2 to 7 herein, have not challenged the judgment and decree passed in original suit 138 of 2018, and the same has attained finality insofar as that.
By the appellant, which reads as follows. In light of the same, the appeal is dismissed as regards respondent number 2 to 7.
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. Necessary amendment to be registry to note necessary endorsement in the appeal papers. Full stop. In the interregnum, in light of the submission that matter is likely to be settled as against the remaining parties.
Yes.
Matters referred to Lok Adalat.
Please, ma'am.
Number 6, Siddharuda Pujari.
Week's time may be granted to produce a typed copy.
List,
Typed copy is ready.
yes, list in the first week of March. Yes.
Number 7,
Lord,
Raj Gupta.
I am the complaint, my lord, in this case. I am file a PIL, Sarojanika Hitashakti, total 145, my lord. Is present before this honorable court.
No, we are in a contempt petition.
Yes,
Now, what is the
but
submission?
we considered is the representation, he given the representation, my lord, to the, all the police, my lord, including the Home Secretary, to give the protection. But we are making the, we giving the protection to the complainant, and also we are daily, my lord, our night beat police, my lord, signing the attendance in front of his, my lord, he will visit the every night, my lord, and there is the assurance, my lord, if any problem is, immediately call to us, we'll rush to them. That is the endorsement is given by the superintendent of police also.
My lord, with permission, kind permission, my lord. Why the continue police is along with the, I am given the list of principal bench, my lord. I filed totally one important WP number, my lord. 2711/2023, my lord. Bidar Jiriya Kamal Nagar
Now they've given you protection.
ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ
No, they've given you protection.
yes, now is, my lord. Previously only endorsement.
Okay, now they've given it.
Yes, today, yesterday is given the endorsement.
Yes, there is
Because my submission, my lord, I'm the one of the
No, that we leave.
VVIPs
We are not entering.
consideration.
We are not entering into that. Now they've given you, if there's any issue, you can move it.
If the is not complies this honorable court order reopening the CC my lord. And
No.
because I list given, my lord, whatever I,
We are not denying that.
because CBI ಗೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅವ್ರ ಆದಾಯನ ಇನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಬಂದಿವೆ. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇಂತಿಂತ ಪ್ರಕರಣಗಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯಗಳು ಬೇಕು, ರಸ್ತೆ ಬೇಕು, ಕುಡಿಯೋ ನೀರಿನು, ರಸ್ತೆ, ಚರಂಡಿ, ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಸೇತುವೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ. ಟೋಟಲ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, if there's a real threat, you can move the police authority. Allala, permanently we can't give a gunman. We can't give you a permanent gunman. We can't give you a permanent gunman. That is not permanent.
Yes,
whenever
is necessary.
Correct. That
My submission, I filing of PL 2010, my lord. Now 14 year I'm given the public service. Various writ petition, this
that is
honorable
there.
court is considered.
Whenever there's a threat, you can move the.
Yes, my lord.
The learned single judge.
On 6/4/24, my lord, we filed the affidavit, my lord. Today, my lord, endorsement is given by the superintendent of police. Affidavit copy, police.
I directed.
Anna. Put in a copy. Hey, affidavit put in.
And directed consideration of representation seeking police protection. Full stop. GA files memo along with an endorsement, which reads as follows. In light of the same, proceedings are dropped while making it clear that as and when appropriate circumstance arises, the respondents to evaluate threat perception and take appropriate action.
Yes, mobilizement.
Number 8, Harshvardhan R. Malipati.
In this matter, my lord, your lordship is directed the ADLR to make the spot inspection and submit the survey. But survey submitted by the ADLR and whatever, my lord, is given the report, my lord, to that extent, we already given the proposal for acquisition of the land. 9 acre, my lord, 13 gunta, my lord, this report is submitted by the ADLR.
What was the direction?
Direction to consider the representation, my lord, regarding utilize of the land of the complainant.
The direction was twofold, my lord. They had, my lord, initiated acquisition for about 30 acres. And, my lord, there was one proposal for, my lord, 6 acres. 6-acre proposal was, my lord, in my lord, process. 30 acres, my lord, they did not take any, my lord, measures. Therefore, my lord, the representation was filed, for which, my lord, direction was given. Now, my lord, they have initiated the acquisition for about 9 acres.
Not para 5 of the learning single judge order, my lord. Sorry, it is.
No, you want to have your say on this?
Yes, my lord, I will take, it's served today, my lord, just now. I will take instructions and, my lord, make my submissions by 27th.
Memo along with documents are filed by the government advocate. And they submit that there has been compliance.
Yes, my lord.
For say of the petitioner. When do you want it?
My lord, on 27th.
We list on 27th.
First week, your lordship.
Or first week?
Yes.
In the first week of March. Yes.
Number 9, Anil Rathod.
My lord, I will comply the office objection raised on IAS, my lord, during the course of the day.
Week's time granted to do the needful. Next.
Number 10, AM Nagara.
Hearing for the petitioner. It's yes, where they brought the contempt in the last time, it doesn't at all attract any contempt. The order I will take, my lord, order is at page, my case, page 50, my lord.
No, it's not your case. It's the court's case.
Yes. Or the page, my lord, the 50, my lord.
Just one minute. Yes.
This case, my lord.
What was the direction?
My lord, it is on the basis of interim order passed by the learned single judge. My lord's,
what was the interim order?
Interim order at page 50, my lord, 50.
Yes, Nagraj.
Yes. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner.
Page?
Page 50, my lord. 49 is the annexure B1, page 49.
Stay of annexure A.
A. May I be permitted? Annexure A.
Good.
after making the accounts of this NPA, this order was stayed, man. Last line of my lord, that order, ಎಂದು ವರ್ಗೀಕರಿಸಲು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧನಾ ವರದಿಯನ್ನು ದಿನಾಂಕ 30/6/2023 ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುವ ಪ್ರಯುಕ್ತ ತಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಖಾನೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವಹಿವಾಟುಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸ್ಥಗಿತಗೊಳಿಸಲಾಗುವುದನ್ನು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ತಮಗೆ ಸೂಚಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. After that, my lord, may I request, my lord, annexure D, page, my lord, 52 was issued.
What has happened to the writ petition?
But the writ petition was pending. It is posted on 11th, my lord. For that reason, I am seeking for a
2023 writ petition.
Yes, it was heard. After that, my lord, the learned single judge, my lord, passed an order. Day before yesterday, my lord, senior counsel Jaikumar Aspatal was appeared.
Don't mention names.
Allala, adralli writ appeal, we have filed the writ appeal.
No,
based on-
annexure, 1 minute. Annexure D you show.
D, my lord, page 52. This respondent number 4, bank now, my lord, issued the notices, Surface Act notice.
We have
Now,
requested, my lord,
present-
only
Writ appeal is filed when?
Writ appeal is filed last week, my lord. Not for this order, my lord. After that, my lord, the learned single judge has, after hearing the parties, my
pass
lord,
on this
they
order, my lord,
permitted
the
to, my lord, leasehold out the factory. Simultaneously, my lord, the court has passed, observed that, my lord, the bank has liberty to proceed under this Surface Act, my lord. That portion of the order was, my lord, challenged before this court, and writ appeal is listing tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. Lord, this is once we, Lord, classified the account of around 800 crores, 792 crores. And they said there was still one more year for the renewal. Therefore, before that, they said that. So NABARD has made an inspection based on the NABARD inquiry report. We issued that it has become NPA. You are not paid the loan amount at all, not even anything. So then this NPA, because of that, it was stayed, my lord. Then this NPA, staying of the NPA, declassifying NPA will not come in the way of proceeding for a recovery. We requested them to pay the money.
Correct.
That's how they have come here. They say that this amounts of contempt. This is, my lord, in my view, my lord, great respect, my lord, it's abuse of process of law, my lord. How can, my lord,
Last portion of the
this
order,
can't
my
be,
lord.
my lord, that's all. But we have requested 800 crores we have given, not paid anything. Now they say that they are virtually threatening, and we have also given a loan for the pledge, taking the pledge of the sugar. They are not permitting to make inspection also. In the last 10 days back, they went to the factory. They did not allow because there is an interim order. If they sell the sugar, which is been pledged, on the pledge we have extended the loan. That's everything has come in the, my lord, order of the learned single judge. Now this that order, my lord, interim order in the last occasion, and meantime, Lord, we had initiated the proceedings under the Surface Act, and that cannot be stalled at all, my lord. This is 800 crores, my lord, one factory. So this by taking advantage of this, my lord, issue of asking them to pay the loan amount. It is not that this is only auctioning or anything, stopping of the factory. We have not done anything. We have requested, once it is NPA classification stayed, we requested to make the payment. That said, that it amounts to contempt. This is purely an abuse of process of law.
We have requested to, my lord, the installment needs to be given to the factory.
That is between, correct, that's between you and them. What is the contempt now?
But contempt is, my lord, by virtue of this order, my lord.
Which order?
Interim order.
Which interim?
Page 50,
For that
my lord,
reason,
page
my lord,
50.
March 11th is the writ petition is listing, my lord. After that, this contempt may be taken, my lord. Writ petition itself is dismissed, my lord.
No, what is the contempt now?
But we are saying that, my lord, page number 49 and 50. 50 is the interim order.
Correct.
In the meanwhile, the stay of annexure A dated 1/7/2023 passed by respondent number 4 till the next date of hearing. That was subsequently extended. Lord's impugned order, I have served the copy of, my lord, one interim order, my lord. Order of the impugned order, my lord. Last portion of the order.
This is earlier to this. Mistake, I thought. Annexure D, any?
Annexure A is totally different.
No, what is the action of contempt? No?
By issue, by subsistence of this interim order staying the annexure A. After that, my lord, the bank is issued, my lord, impugned order is also issued by the bank.
What, to what effect? Asking you to pay the arrears.
Not, my lord. Annexure A is, my lord.
Annexure D?
Yes.
You are saying amounts to contempt.
Yes.
What is it? They're asking you to pay the money. Otherwise, we will take.
Pay the money, basis of pay the money is annexure A, my lord, impugned order.
No, correct. Are you saying that there is no due?
There is a due.
That's all. That we cannot stay.
Annexure D may be kindly see, my lord.
Correct. Annexure D.
Yes. This is to intimate that
you are required to pay the amount.
Yes.
If there is no amount,
starting word, my lord, word used. This is to intimate that the date of various loan availed and became NPA overdue. This NPA itself is statement.
1 minute. What is the subsequent order in the said writ petition?
Said writ petition, my lord, the learned single judge has permitted us to lease out the factory. 1 month time was given. We have sent the, my lord, proposal to the government since the factory is a cooperative factory. Simultaneously, last words, my lord.
No, but it cannot amount to contempt. There's no. What is the willful disobedience?
NPA itself is stayed. I word use my first word.
Even if
this action itself is, my lord, based on annexure A.
Even if it is classified as an NPA,
yes,
you have to pay the money.
Next week, my lord, it may be taken up.
There's no willful disobedience.
And next week, principal loan amount has been depicted. I have produced the documents. 669.39
They are not disputing the loan amount.
Principal amount.
What is the principal amount?
Lord, 669.39, and the interest is 185, and the penal interest is 17.67 crores.
600 crores is the principal.
How the 669.39.
For that reason only, my lord, last date of hearing, learned single judge has passed the order permitting us to, my lord, lease out the factory itself, my lord.
Correct. So, but this contempt will not survive.
Next week, my lord, you will also. Thursday, my lord. May I request on Thursday, my lord?
That independently we'll see. ಇವಾಗ 800 crores ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು?
ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ ಮಾರಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಮಲೋಡ್ ದಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ದಿ ಮಲೋಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಾಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು ಇವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನೀವು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. Now if you are going to file affidavit at 2:30, now only we'll ask them to examine it.
2:30 ಬೇಡ, Thursday.
No.
Thursday. ಅಲ್ಲ anyway writ appeal is listing to.
That we'll see, but
not contempt.
Contempt is wrong. It may amount to an abuse of process.
Well, I am, may I request, my lord, first 2 lines.
No, it has been modified. So there's nothing survival for contempt as of now.
That has been challenged. Modification itself.
That we'll see. In that, if you get an
even interim order nalli the so surface so proceedings is subject to result of the writ petition anta helidare. It is not an absolute.
Annexure.
The,
Annexure D is, my lord, a basis for Annexure D, issuing Annexure
correct,
D.
but now that has been modified.
It is listing tomorrow, my lord.
That we'll see separately.
Day
That we'll
after,
see.
ನಾಳೆ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
No, no.
Thursday for, my lord.
No, not contempt. The present petition has been filed seeking for initiation of proceedings for contempt in light of the interim order passed in WP 202541 of 2023. The interim order dated 2/5/2023. The interim order reads as follows. Interim order dated 8/9/2023. Reads as follows. Full stop. Next. It is the contention of the complainant that despite operation of the interim order, Annexure D notice has been issued. Full stop. Whereby bank has called upon the complainant to pay amount of 792 crore 32 lakh 58,607 and 69 paise.
May I kind permission.
Within the time stipulated, failing which proceedings would be initiated under section 70 of KCA Karnataka Cooperative Societies Act or SARFAESI Act 2002 for recovery of the amount. Full stop. It is noticed that in the same proceedings in WP 202541 of 23, the interim order earlier granted was modified while reserving liberty to the bank to take out proceedings under section 14 of the SARFAESI Act.
Which has already been initiated.
In light of the subsequent order, it cannot be stated that the present proceedings will have to be continued for contempt. Full stop. Is further submitted. Full stop. Accordingly, present proceedings are dropped. All contentions of the complainant are kept open. Now, as you ಬರೀ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ?
As on that date, my lord, the
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಯ್ತು, ನೀವು
contempt
ಬರೀ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
till March end,
600 crores ಇದೆ.
till March end, my lord, we are operating, my lord. After that, my lord, we are requested to pay the, my lord, some amount. For that, my lord,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈವನ್ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಶುಗರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಜ್ ಲೋನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ. ಆ ಶುಗರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಜ್ ನಮ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಟ್. They are not permitting. When we went there 10 days back, they virtually stopped us physically. They did not allow them to enter into.
We must allow them to inspect. Tomorrow we'll see. Today you go and inspect it.
Please,
that contempt ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ order ಬೇಡ.
You have to inspect. You
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? I cannot, my lord, I will take instruction to this effect, my lord.
That may be
This cannot be, my lord.
whether stock is there, whether I sold it, maybe.
That is separate proceedings, my lord.
No. Tomorrow the matter is coming up.
Yes.
You allow him to inspect today.
Tomorrow
we'll hear.
Tomorrow, my lord, that
No,
order.
we'll hear it, but today you allow him to inspect.
Contempt ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Next.
Number 11, Nitesh Padia.
But I'm sorry for interruption. Seven ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Seven.
Yes.
Sorry. 7 ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ?
Yes.
Sorry, my lord. Serial number 7, my lord. I already take, that is disposed of the content petition. Served, notice is served to the respondents, my lord. I may be permitted to take out notice to all the respondents, my lord. That police matter, my lord. Serial number 7. Sorry, I have not mentioned, my lord, that one. I'll take notice to the, all the respondents, my lord, in that,
You will accept
all the respondents.
AGA accepts notice for respondents
All the respondents, 1 to 9.
for all the accused. What is the main matter?
But in the, in the disposed matter, my lord. Sorry, my lord, that you are not mentioned. my lord.
Yes, yes.
But here, my lord, serial number 11, my lord.
7.
Sorry. But serial number 11, my lord.
Ah.
In this matter, my lord, last occasion I filed the, my lord, memo along with the government order. We already prefer the SLP before the apex court. But this week, my lord, we are mentioning the matter before the apex court for posting the matter for preliminary hearing. Consider the application for stay. Lord, you also have it second week of March, my lord.
May I make a submission, my lord? More than 14 to 15 adjournments have been sought in the contempt petition, my lord.
What is the SLP number?
SLP, my lord, I produced that government order.
On that count also, 6 to 7 adjournments have been sought.
This is the.
And your lordship may kindly have a glance on order sheet dated 23/9/24, my lord. 23/9/24. There at the more than 35 years they have been hesitating, my lord. Your lordship may kindly have a glance on 23/9/24 of contempt proceedings. Thereafter, several adjournments have been sought on one or the other pretext. And after filing the contempt petition, my lord, they seek adjournment that they will be complying the orders and they prefer the writ appeal. And when the honorable court came to know that, my lord, that appeal is order sheet dated.
So when you will move the matter?
Yes, so today, my lord, this week, my lord, we are mentioning to the Chief Justice, my lord, of the